Ghana there, the fact of life, Ghana youth on fire, Majo my back thing.
The fact of life, Ghana youth on fire.
Hey, stop going on me.
And you're right here now. Ghana youth on fire.
Yeah, Ghana youth.
Oba, Dr. Power, Ghana Youth President. Jataniba, Ejadim, Dr. Power, Obekasa, Obesisho. Jatanibo, Ghana Youth President. Dr. Power, Obekanokre, Sendaho, Ejana Dewu.
Emamo Akwaba Sronko about the fact of life Ghana youth on fire Jumadi so. Ene Sunday foforo anyankopon ede ache woni me. Any time ameba betina ahabia betina makonwa kase mu na chese ye ni abre. Se de niama nkoyi kura niama ekokosu ya hwe anye hu adwuma ntema. Yeba huana adia fire kon ho oman eye ekuo Ghana man eye ekuo a company or a business that we've enhanced into the hands, we've given into the hand of somebody to manage. We employ managers to manage the country for us, and they are not ready to do what we the owners of the company want. For that matter, we are here to correct them. From Dr. Power, Ghana Youth President, Dr. Power Herbal Clinic, na soma sene, emamidi jumedi ebro. Dr. Power Herbal Clinic ya yaresebia wotu yarebia ase. Se eye huhumu yarie, anase ye hunamu yarie. Yade bia eho bia. Se ubetumi atumirika ako Dr. Power Herbal Clinic nkwiadia. Ubetu ase ama ho ato one time. Ene oh, send me danger, Michelle danger, ye near brefoking. Ye were a press conference ye last week. I mean this week Monday. Ye debetuja, ama washing sema the youth president, and there are two amanyofo him. And as almost respond so far, we will let you know. Mamen kochi Dr. Power and Krato, semeba, ye beto aso. Meba sisi ya.
Mabajo, babu she, ye dear ban. If I have shayade, and it in we are back Dr. Power Clinic. The same one to me, my ear free. Dr. Power Clinic, we are power.
Say humu, Honamu, Anasa Honam any yare and a hawa, and ye make come for Dr. Power Herbal Clinic amount. Osa in Nairobi to say gonorrhea, hypertension, stroke, typhoid fever, malaria fever, diabetes, jaundice, low sperm count, asthma, nasemeka seme bobo yare ni nara sodia, ene trese adie beche ama die asan asa. Dr. Power wa abefo infidie papa or the sun yare we nyinara osan enso goita anase kompo edro henia aye friend ochono so e wono so anu edro na Dr. Power de or the habai ma and or the sayare ebinom so ho obema we futuo a che se ondo sika kapre empo osan so tenase ebena de biara de ye honhom hwehwemu na o ho akwankyere tutumrika bra Dr. Power asoye na onto yare ase ema so hwe Dr. Power chi akwan dia o wa Shama New Town ni Anwi Park. The telephone number ni 020-8478-866. Me sense subium 020-8478-866. Dr. Power. Power.
Yo, me mama akwaba sonkon say watumi atwen ama yakọ Dr. Power Herbal Clinic asan echi aba. Week yi amua na Dr. Power, Ghana Youth President, a free press conference. All the media stations in the country, ebe shame. Ye kasai, edi asema ehia yempa, etu amanyofo enim, NDC, NPP, PPP, CPP, GUM, ena ekuyadonko numu nyina, yedi atu obi enim. ɔman ɛyɛ dwumakuo wo pania wo bedi ɛna yama wo dwuma se bɛgye yɛ ntua wo ka na wo so hwe dwuma so yɛ dwuma boa company no ma yɛnkɔ yɛnim enti yɛde yɛn nhyehyɛ ato hɔ sɛ mo nni so a yɛnto aba number na go screen na se ɛyɛ WhatsApp number fa number no na send wo comment if you agree with the president, if you disagree with the president, and if we are at the right direction and I near can say papa dia send you WhatsApp message FSA number so 0242254506 wow person sponsor program and also support ye o person wo di sika bi boa ye na yetumi koyenim time ne no so maye nti ye ba kasa ntentem se ne be ye be wie ntem enti wo moaye na yen koyenim ma yen koji press release no na yenti na wu meba sisia.
My name is Dr. Power, Ghana Youth President. My fellow Africans, fellow Ghanaians, Ghana must work, Africa must work. And that is the reason why you and I are gathered here today to listen to the voice of the youth. I want to say a very big thank you for respecting our invitation so that the world can hear what we, the youth of Africa and in Ghana, have to say. I want to use this opportunity to address the African youth and also advise, encourage them that we are strongly behind them. African youth on fire, Africa must work. Ghana youth on fire, Ghana must work. And at the moment, I would like to talk to all the youth in Africa that are already on the streets protesting their disappointment in our leaderships. We should continue to do it calmly, in peace. We don't need any violence anywhere. We all witnessed and saw how the government of Nigeria released shootings on our youth. Yes, still Nigerian youth, keep it calm. Don't respond to any violence. We are just telling them our displeasure, what we are not in agreement with. If they cannot change it for us, then they can. Actually, governance is a company. A country is a company. And every company owner or manager wants to see benefit, interest for his company. We employ these leaders. Anybody that is employed is being paid. We employ these leaders and pay them monthly salary for them to do our job for us. Now, they ignore the job we have assigned them, rather parading themselves to having people of authority and using the power we gave them to protect us to frustrate us. We, the youth of Ghana and Africa as a whole, will not sit down and watch this thing to continue. In Ghana particularly, for 64 years now, 6 March we'll be having 64 years, but yet still we are trading on nothing. We have nothing to talk about. Ghana is not poor but rich. Ghana is the most richest country in the whole world. You want me to explain to you? Ghana is the most richest country in the whole world. One, Ghana is the center of the world. That is the first riches. The center of the whole world. Two, we have every single thing you may look for in the whole world right here in this country. We have bauxite, we have cocoa, we have diamond, we have everything right here in this country. We are not poor. We are rich. We are more than the word rich. And so if the country is not going on well, it means the managers we employed are not doing their job. And it is our responsibility to either accept them or to ignore them. We either accept them or to ignore them. When we bring this person, he come and repeat the same thing. We bring another one, he come and repeat the same thing. We will not sit down and watch them destroy our nation. Dr. Osagyefo Kwame Nkrumah, who have started it all, that help with the help of all other Ghanaians that love our land, that rescue our land and try to give us the peace we are all looking for. He established factories and they are in the bush right now. If you could not even create another factories for us to work in, you should have just at least managed the one he has created. But instead, all of them are collapsed. Go to any of those factories that are abandoned in the bush and say you are going to maintain it for yourself, to sell kokonte or charcoal. They will tell you it's a government property and they will leave it there to rot. We will not sit down and watch these people to continue to lump us like this. If any politicians come to us, the youth, for employment, when they come to us campaigning that we vote for them, they are calling us to employ them. And what they call manifesto, I call it maninufasta. They call it manifesto, I call it maninufasta. It means we, the people in this group of NPP or NDC, when you get into the government, manimisikano faster. Senimame, that is why they are sharing the money and eating. When you and I want to insult them, we attack their family members included. Yesterday, I was live for one of the TV stations. And when I was picking up a call, one man called me and said he is a brother to the president, current president's wife. And he is suffering hunger. But when anybody wants to insult the president, they include them and insult all of them together. We are suffering. John Dramani Mahama, Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo, their excellencies. These people have gotten the privilege to witness their father when they were growing up. Their fathers were employed into these factories of Nkrumah. They work and take salaries and take care of them, send them outside, and they school and came back to this country and then deciding to lead us. Now, they are leading us into nothing. Let me advise you, the youths of Ghana. 2020, I, as the president of the youth, have the right that we are not going out there to cast any votes. 2027 December, when that time comes, sleep. Stay back at home and sleep. We are not voting. This manifesto, the manifesto that you presented to us, what the youth need, we do not find one inside. The loan you have designed to give us, there is no guarantee for that loan, one. And even if we get the loan, you will squeeze us with your taxes and pressure us and loop everything from us and we will collapse. Then you say we have indebted the country. And then the white man will be making money out of us. And so long as you have not presented to us any measure to create any factory or to resume the condemned factories, then we are not casting a vote. That is one. Two, all the money you have borrowed, everybody know, you and I know, that if you sitting here, go out there to take a loan, you go and take the loan and invest it into something. You made you do the business with the loan, make money with that particular loan, and pay the loan off with the money borrowed. You don't take loan and then use this anyhow without regarding the money out of the loan you have taken and leave it for someone else to pay. And then you continue to take loan, and we are not even seeing projects out of the loan. Common sense will tell you that a good leadership is to feed the people that are working with you. A good leadership is to feed the people that are working with you. One, when I was young in our school, we have a school farmland, and at least every weekend or once in a week, either once or twice in a month, we all go to school and then go to school farms. And at the end of harvest, even the school teachers will provide us some of those food to send home. Today, do we have any school farm? Today, do we have any school farm anywhere? And then the country does not have a country warehouse for food. Any government that come in power, They say we have invested enough into our Greek and the food is not coming out. We are exporting food into other countries. How can you tell me that you are exporting food when we are not even getting one to eat? Okay, let us think about this. You are importing rices. In fact, kontombre kwamo imported. Jende keke, you are importing them into this country. You are importing every single dime into this country, and you tell me you are exporting food. And you diania wedi amabi akasie and na wudi kokro foforo so koton. And yen ye hwehwe bie dia ya nya. Na wa be ka say you are, where are you exporting them? Where are you sending them? Yabre, we are tired. Everybody is crying. You come down there, squeeze us and carry our money and go and give to the white man outside there. How the white man will be rich is your interest. But your own very people in your house, you don't care about them. 2020, NDC and NPP, we are declaring to you, we are not voting. The NDC youth are angry, the NPP youth are angry, all the youth of Ghana, we are staying back. We will not vote. We are giving you just 7 days to rewrite your manifesto. Rewrite your manifesto. If it comes well in our favor, I will call it manifesto. For now, it's manifesto. And so therefore, rewrite it and tell us that when you come, the measures you are putting in place is not to give us loan. It's not to give us big push or whatever you call it. It is to create a farmland and employ us. Tell us that there is employment here in Akuse. There is employment here in Yendi. There is employment here for farming. And we will all come there and get employment to go into our farm, produce maize, cassava, and food in this country. Then we will not believe you that you are doing it. Number 2, tell us that our school curriculum, our school structure, you will break it down and form a good school in this country. You and I know, you, the journalists that are standing here, you and I know that the school we are going to, we attended is a waste of time. A total waste. We were back 2 years. Now the Nakoshe school. 25 years. And send our qualified so be bribiedi. Adia okosia on school portion you will never know. Or see me a science student, or see me a D&D student, Nansu okoshe obi provision store. Now what on adia a bit to top brodo or kwa. Yay! A bit to top brodo or kwa. Okay. Yenina yenim say adisua from practice to work. And yes, sir. We all know say adisua from practice to work. Yeshushe adisua wa Ghana ha, the only adisua I know, the only education that I know. Tailor for, cabita for, because from their school straight to working. John Dramani Mahama Bekasai or say when they come to power, they will establish apprenticeship. What is the difference between apprenticeship and schooling? Different than a woman. No, brofukan kaibeni. Apprenticeship and schooling. What is the difference? So you are telling us say apprentice yenye nipa. Say ye apprentice okromha yenye nipa. Ejuma enu momede diani bre nkrofo ano enu nye juma apprenticeship school dropout. Now school now omo dropping in no e dey no modeba. If you call us school dropouts, the one you call school drop in, what are they bringing? All those who have attended whatever schools has come out today and working for the so-called illiterate. In fact, some of you in the media today, you are working for someone who have never stepped in a classroom. How come? I didn't think that you should share sikafo okromwa. I just say school dropouts and sikafo. Why? A time has come to change the school curriculum. We want practical education. Practical education. If you want us to be engineer, let us go straight to Kantanka and go and learn how to manufacture a car. This mobile phone that we all carry, obi kita screen touch say no wa na baka kese say a minister mo ne phone be 3 wa na baka say kona kwhwe China nkola omo primary 3 primary 2 omo no mo ye mobile phone. What are we producing? A whole university in this country is not producing anything. What kind of a country is this? Do we have leaders? as far as I am concerned, I have not seen any leader, because leaders will not leave his own people to suffer hunger. If you go outside there, go to America, go to UK, go to China, Japan, they are protecting the interests of their citizens. Say a kuro keke mpompo keke ye obia omanyi na betu egu ni so pagya ne mirika girigiri akọ say ye kohwe ne yare omu betriti ni kama ma ne ho atọ no baga na ha miane kon kunuma mimra ho. That is subai fi subai kankan ye kita wa ha. Who teach us? These so-called politicers, politifers, wonumu ana di subai fi be kromu ha. Obroni ukoji loan ni nchen ya na waka kire ose loan amede mawi fako. I am not talking against anybody. I'm waking those who are sleeping up. I am waking those who are sleeping up. If you don't know what is leadership, come to your drawing board. Let us teach you how to lead us, how to give us food to eat, and how to sew our dresses. It's not as if they don't know. Do you know why? When coronavirus of a case came, within 2 weeks, within 1 week, Akufo-Addo, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, His Excellency, was able to set up a nose mask factory. Am I lying? He was able to set up a nose mask factory within 2 weeks. And all of a sudden, this whole country was full up with nose masks. Enti atadia yebe share factory want to mean see. Okay, something like this structure, just give us a structure. Na ka kire tailor for mo krom say, me bie structure bia to ama mo. Mo betina tina ase. Mo tina structure na sina mo pompa matade, I will supply you materials. Mo pam wi a me ameto na metua mo 111 CD for each dress. Enkanya employment na wa create no. Enkanya yankasa yatade enhye wo krom ha. Na chese omu nimpa ni ombeya ma yebe me, yebe nye dwuma ye anya matili salary ahwe ye yire ne yemma. Na so wonye etuo nsuo tuo, light tuo, mobile phone tuo. Uto credit ya ne ate ne hwe. Uko Nigeria keke, Togo haya. You can buy credit and use it for so many days. It will not get finished. Ghana, if you buy 1 CD, if you buy 100 CD credit, put the phone down. Don't use it at all. Before daybreak, the credit will finish. Call the office and ask them. They'll tell you use it on the internet. Adey, abroni beye benye, etremodin benye. Why are you killing your own people? For the white men. Why? Enough is enough. Now, we the youth of Ghana have risen up. Yen sorry ni mo chi nye ye ni bio. And Ghana youth muntie mi. Eya no mo ba mo ncha be ka kire mo say it is a mandatory. Na che say your share say Ghana ni bia nkoto aba. Ne we di 18 years. Emra share. Emra a share say obia nkoto aba eyentro. Obia everybody is at the position of his right. You choose to exercise your right, you choose to leave it behind. It's your choice. It's your right. And so NDC on its own as a party, sir, chairman, secretary, they cannot win election 50 plus 1 vote. They can never win if we are not included. What I say? NPP as a party can never win 50 plus 1 vote if we the youth has no vote. So this year they will do runoff, 1,000 times runoff, and nobody will win. The seat will be idle, and we will allow the Chief Justice to handle it for us. As for them, they cannot go for loan on our head. Anybody that want to lead this country from today, we expect you to come and express maturity. A mature manager is the one that invests into his people, not to borrow on his people. We believe so much in Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia 2016 when he came out and said the reckless borrowing of that government at that time. And without borrowing, we can grow our country. All of a sudden, Mumma Danini reckless borrowing. Reckless borrowing. Because that is the only thing. Everybody is now going into politics. Why? Because that is where to loop money. Why? We will not sit down and watch this happen again. I hereby direct all the youth of Ghana, including you, the medias. You are all youths. The future belongs to you. These people, they are tired. They are about to fall out. I am not wishing them dead, but I am telling you that these people knows that they don't have much time to live. So they don't care whatever they do and what it costs you. The last time, MPB ayakochino, ekunu, only one MP, miboa. Wamu di America, ako chuchi police for kakra omuda yechi. Ako map MP for so mukobo omuhubai. The MPs are very, very important to them. The MPs are very, very important to them. So they gave them the necessary security. But we, the citizens, they don't care about us. Anano, in Sobi Piti, Ewotem, Ashamai, Atadeka, Echo downtown bridge in Soha. In so name Munda Ekasie, I say in so beto. Ena, Esha se piti. Mi jidi pa se, Omu bie dam, ne wo honom. Ye bie dam no, se Omu bie yo se pai you, I can't really tell. But I believe they opened the dam because where they not deceive you. Omu fi se nsuo beto, omu bie tu ma na yaka se nsuo na to afa nkrofo. Like they've been announcing since. Obroni nyesa. I have videos of the fraud. Say ni nsuo fa nipa da se ni containers. Nkrofo ewo omuka mu na nsuo di wo mo ko. Fili wo mani so. Cow, eye nantwe nkrofo de nsuo di kosa. If you want to open dam, anya ni papa ni se mo be announcement aka kire mo nkrofo se mo fi honum area no na ye bebie nsuo so that people will be aware nsuo to na mo bf afem na mo kunku nkrofo. What the hell is going on in this country? Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. The youth of Ghana, we are not voting 2020 December 7. We have given you 7 days to rewrite your manifesto. If you come back and present to us this clear manifesto that we are requesting for. 1, establish possible factory, in fact, mini factories. All the MPs of Ghana can establish dress-making factory, shoe-making factory, maize plantation farms, cassava plantation farms, rice plantation farms, and advertise those things to us. Let us buy made in Ghana products. And you failure. Say MP moi o soro o be shatari akọ parliament akọ kasa mayenga na wa share a suit tin ayere wo ko wo makote na wo yo abaka na brofo hwe na o mo sere because obroni bi eni ho be hye kente obroni bi eni ho be frantuma na yesere mo obroni ne kura hu se mo mfa mutiri nya adwuma. I'm not insulting you, I'm trying to spell out what is happening to you. Omo sha hu se grofo e bia na mo adwen nya adwuma because they can trick you and you buy it. Now, who is an MP? An MP, obi a community no yapa. Aka kire ne se kona ko jinemu maye. Kona ko kasa kire nkrofo ne se ye hia ekwan, ye hia nsuo, ye school ye hia bi wa ha, hospital ye hia bi. Na kire se ye elect wie a every season na mo be call parliament, you need to come and meet us. Na bisa say mwakuma so apede ni say na ya kan kiro no akokan. And any law that should be passed in the parliament, as a senka mo de be kire yen a ya soma mo. So ye pese ye mra say you, mo hu ni sen na ya ka se ai ya je atum anada bi ye nyintum. We de ye nya pamo a nia mo pena mo akoye law a ebe ma mo akinchim yensa. Into obia ba ni ministers be 1,000. When you mean to create ministerial offices, to loop money, because ministers no soa sikano mbe wiano and no so. But ministers no do so a ye chiche biama we ye $2 million ema this ministry to whatever $1 million. Nesu month ni wie na omo be say antifo frama om no, you will not see the value of the money. Ebeya nwanwa say ye see so many $1 million ye dey see toilet. Ebeya nwanwa say so many $1 million ye dey see gata. And ye kwan nyina tutu okrom ha. Ekwan ya onim say oye a within 1 year be tutu nso obeye. Why don't you do the good one at once? I didn't know onye papa ne preko. Ghana youth, we are on fire. Ye ni abre. Ekom de ya che. A hungry man is an angry man. A hungry man is an angry man. We are not fighting anybody. We are not coming after you with any. If you like, come after us with your guns. We will not come out and vote. If you like, send the soldiers as you've been sending. We will not come out and vote. We are not voting. 2020, Ghana youth, we are not voting. Finally, to all the youth in Africa, we are not in for violence. We are the future leaders. And if we are the future leaders, then we are starting the foundation from now. If we leave them, the white men will come back and take us for slavery again. They will come back and take us for slavery again, of which all of us do not like. Or do you want to be a slave? Do you want to be a slave? We do not want to go back to slavery. And I am telling all the white men that are giving loan to these our leaders, we are not the ones sending them. They are doing it at their risk. So don't come and crucify us that our whatever has come for loan for whatever. We do not give out our bauxite. We do not give out our gold. We do not give out our fuel. We do not give out anything. From now, if they come to you for a loan, ask them to go back to their people, the youth, and ask them if they agree with them or not before you grant any loan. This is our desire and what we want for the growth of Africa. By 2030, Ghana is better than Dubai. Africa is better than Dubai. Ghana must work. If we give them 4 years, before we finish the 4 years, we will all die of hunger. And so if the election should be postponed to the next 4 years without president, we like it like that. It's not too late. It is never too late. I am not also asking only the major parties, all of them that wanted to be a president of this country. What you can do for us, one, is to go back and write what we want. The NDC called their own People's Manifesto. Which people? Who did they consult? Did they come to you? Did you tell them what you want? They just went and gather themselves somewhere, plan on how to loop our mind and come and take our money. These politicers are trying to trick our head, and they are calling us fools. Today, go outside there, go and look for all the ministers and all the MPs. Their children, where are they? They are outside, schooling outside, which means they know the school that they have designed here in Ghana, it is not a good one. And so they send their children to go and learn from the good one, and whilst we are with the bad one. You see, so if it is too late, then they should go and bring down their children. Let them come here and vote for them. We will not vote.
Have you, if I may, have you gone through, the NDC manifesto, the NDC manifesto, of which you think that maybe nothing in their manifesto, you think if implemented will benefit the youth, of which that you are calling this press conference, you are asking the youth not to vote coming December 7.
Yes. If your children are hungry in your house, first thing you give them is food. You don't care where you are going to get it, whether it's a good food or not, isn't it? You don't leave the food behind and be telling them, let me bath you first. Let me get you a fine dress. Let me finish the building. Before you give me food, what if by the time you finish and I die? So all that they have written is secondary matter. We don't need them now. We want food. We want food now. Let us eat our own food. The too much Indomie, the too much fried rice, the too much whatever pizza or whatever that are giving us chronic diseases. We don't want them any longer. What we need now is jobs. Physical jobs. Not spiritual ones. Not pocket jobs. Physical jobs.
Yes, sir. My name is Bella with Adam Bethel.
Okay.
How do you say that the NDC and NPP are angry with the leaders whilst you see them campaigning?
You say, how do I say that?
How are you saying they are angry? Because you see most of them on the campaign.
Okay, write it for me.
So the next question.
Please, Patience from District 1. My questions are in two folds. The first question is, in 2016, December 7th, we went to vote and we voted for NPP, which is our president, His Excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo. I want to know, in Ghana, which of the youth vote for you? Because when we go on, they will definitely ask, how did he become the youth president?
I have started this journey long ago, since August last year. Ghana Youth on Fire on other social medias, and we've been listening to the youth. They are angry. If not, in fact, today, if you see me on any show now, it's not even only the youth that are calling. The old men, the old women are coming out. People are calling me every day, crying on my head. You see? So I advise them. I showed a video yesterday. I wish we would have projected some pictures for you to see how politicians are sharing money. I told them, go and take the money. The money is yours. The money is your money, and they are sharing it. Take it. These people are killing our youth, and I don't want to see even one soul died. The last time I was playing another video where they were macheting one another, and you see these politicians empowering them, gingering them, telling them, go in, go and fight. Some of them bought new machetes and give to the youth, go and fight. And so I told them, nobody should go out and fight. Nobody. If they call you, just go, collect what they are giving you, go and sleep. Nobody's case will work on you. It is your own money. Now, coming to the take of the election. So, madam, I think I've answered your question. The reason why you see them following them is because we are allowed to follow them. Take the money. They are fooling us, so we also need to fool them. Take the money. When it reaches the day of election, go and sleep. Same as you are now. Okay, coming to who elected me as a youth president. Ghanaian youth elected me. Not by voting, but by requesting. I started this show, and we don't have anybody to speak for us. Anybody that come out, he's been bribed by one way or the other, being bought by one party or another. Along the way, people have started so many times, and they could not reach anywhere. Why? Because they are buying them with money. And so if I am sure that I cannot be bought, then I should stand in for them. Every day the request is there. That is how come I chose to lead. And moreover, making this decision, it is not me that was deciding. It is the people that are calling for it. I've told you already that I'm already on medias. And so if you want to witness, go to YouTube, type Ghana Youth on Fire, and see the videos. Listen to the calls, the desires of the people every single day. Different category of people are calling. And then they are demand from Ashanti, the whole country, from Ashanti to Volta, Eastern, Northern, everywhere. Everybody is complaining. If not because of the restriction the government give. Like we decided to make it a youth ambassadors meeting. So that you see all that are representing Ghana Youth on Fire across the nation. Right here. Then you will understand that youth, but at the right time, we will all meet and you realize that the youth are angry. We are hungry. We are suffering for nothing. We are not in for presidency or anything. We are just here to push the politicers to become politicians. We are here to push them to do the right thing. If you note, since we started, I will start with coronavirus. When it came and the announcement came, I try as much as possible to advise people to hide themselves and keep themselves safe. The youth responded. I love the response. And then all of a sudden, when the Anchor guy came with the technology, I was the guy who actually tried to question the president. In the following week, he came on board, giving him appointment. Even that one is a question mark. We called on them on Suhum interchange that has been completed and is blocked. We are not getting access to the following day. So it's like when we push them, they go and do the corrections. So we know they will correct their errors. That is why we are calling on them to go back to their drawing board and rewrite their manifestos. Now, the second question. All these 12 candidates, as far as I am concerned, I've only witnessed, two people's manifesto. NDC and MPP. Did you hear any other person that came out with manifesto? No, did you hear any other person? I didn't hear. It means their manifesto is their CV. CV presenting for your employment. How can you come for employment without CV? So it means as for them, they are disqualified already. It is those who present their CV that are qualified. After all, these ones that present their CV are not yet qualified. We have not seen them. In fact, you are a dress designer, and then somebody is a shoemaker, came to you to get employment, not to learn, to get employment and work for you. Will you employ such a person without CV cry? Will you employ him? Because you don't trust his experience. You believe, you don't know whether he's coming to cause damages or coming to fix it. Just like NDC has been causing damages to this country since. Just like NPP has been causing damages to this country since. Let us all come to one agreement here. Look at it. After JJ Rawlings, as for JJ, I don't want to call him president. Do you know why? He thought his people were suffering. So he's a soldier just coming to separate a fight. So me, I don't want to look at him as a president. Because I don't know if you understand me. Kufuor came and then started intervention program B. Started building affordable house that people were sleeping on the street. Where is those houses? They are still in the bush. Is it not our money? No, your company, the station you work for. Yay. Will they start any project under one manager? And because that manager is no more, another manager that take over will not complete the project. Will they? You now understand. So these people are not qualified. NDC, NPP, John Mahama, Akufo-Addo, they are not qualified. They have already shown more than enough. Their working experience shows that they are failures. They fail our nation. And we cannot experience to let them lead us to our graves. We are dying enough already. The flood at Ashaiman, 17 people died. Up to now, John Mahama did not talk about it. Nana Addo did not talk about it. But when the MP was killed, so they are more important than us, isn't it? President Nibani no he has saying, yay. One more China, almost the brain waha. Are they better than us? And now almost ye Nuimba, almost ye Nadia ne are they not human beings? So you'll be providing job for Chinese people outside there, providing job for Americans outside there, and you are leaving us to suffer hunger here. We will not agree. 2020, we are not voting. And then I want to say, all the pastors that have been called into leadership to lead people, and you abandon the people that I don't want to do politics. You are the most wicked man on earth. I'm telling you, you are the most wicked, the most killer, the most armed robber on earth. Because your assignment is to ensure that we eat well, we sleep well, and then we escape sicknesses. That is your job. That's the job God has given you. Your church members, are they not Ghanaian? When the lockdown came, are they not affected? When the hunger came, are they not affected? Are they? And you, the journalists that do not know your jobs, me, I'm not afraid of anybody's face. I'm telling it to your face. You, the journalists that do not know your job, you are afraid to do your job. Your job is share naka. See it and say it. Say it as it is. Say John Mahama bo krono a kachira yen say wa wia yesika eye krono. Every krono be krono. Every krono it be krono. Enti nipa na ya de boni a brabo enti beka order from above. When you order from above? When your friend order from above? We gave you a job. We did not give you power. Tell the politicians so. We gave them a job. They should look at the job and work for us. They are our servants, our workers, not our masters, not our penny, kasatia penny. We are not talking against any penny. We are talking to our servants, our workers. They better regard themselves as workers and work for us. Work for our interests. Akufo-Addo, obetumi aye, but why na adwin se onye? We all saw it. Edu critical no, when we saw obetumi aye bia kire said they are capable, but they just don't want to do it. And niema ye youth no ye hwehwe. Ye hia. Eno no mbechiro, e dia bechire. Na say ye pene so say no na ye ma yen dia, ye beje atum akoto aba. Because ye nyi ntuma ni ye nti ye ho asinti. Enti na omuka se kejagum na yin na ye demirika na ye de tuo ni krante e bobo ye ho. I don't want to see me person me who say youth bia ebesa kamu biom obi abepre biom me person ye beku obi a okromo ha biom when they are killing the youth eya me ya ehhehye me because on my be a born on one nkrofo hu ban. Enti ese say yem president ne nhwe so na won boy ye hu ban. Na so omo hwe dwuma ne so nya maye dia e de yen so ye nto aba.
What's more is that?
Yem 7 days. 7 days. So woman go back to omo drawing board. Now one chro niama aye pe enye niama omo pe so omo be yamaye. Wa dwuma wura e na kire oni aye e ma onu adwumaye asadwumaye ni. Enti ne edi kan yepe farms, national farms across the nation. Every district should own a farmland. Number 2, yepe shoe factories. We want to produce our own shoes in this country and where. Yempese yebebo niama kese so for now. Niama nkitinkiti bia na 3 atade atade palm factory. Let us sew our own boxer shorts. Yempam yan boxer, your pants, your brazier, your singlet, your long sleeve, your lacoste. Yempam bibia okrom ha. And near torso and near yedi, it should be done from this country. And draw yempeka makeup and rubia okrom habium. Herbal medicines are the natural matured medicines for treatment. Say yan hu sa niema wo mu manifesto ni mu a maminja we into education structure. Tell any students. Enti men kan kire apprenticeship. Enti sa school structure na wo hodada no mungu ni nyina. And I want to advise the whole public. Ghana fo nyina se siye ewe, sia chi, sia gandangbi. These are the 3 popular languages in this country so far. The rest are there. We are learning Ghanaian languages, but these 3 are the most popular languages so far. Yen sia Ghana kasa na munja brofo. Na yenja brofo. So from today, the education system should be changed completely. Almost sa niyama na omu kire ye wo classroom no yenjai na yensua practical. Ade bi omu pese omu kire ye bia omu fa yenko field ne so and go and work inside the factory. Anya sa 7th December yento aba. Yento aba. And say we youth na wutie mi a. Sa omu ye dede ba wo area di omu achi. Kona ko bo won dede ji wo musika na di sika ne ye yandia. Ye hu sika nkrofo printi egu abrochi omo shipi yaba kromu ha no videos metumi dia mama mu bisami a abrabo be si ye baako ene se wo be ka kire temamuni se sa amanyonfo ye di omo atutire ho so omo leadie no they are misleading us omo wiayen enti jaabato enti osofo wo betumi edi president a wo betumi abu oman ne nukuredie mu ama na ye omo nya no omo ya kronfo omo ya businessmen omo ya sikapefo omo nya nyame nipa nyame nimuo. Nti se o yo sofo na wonfa wanu nkasa asemi mu enje yen enti se ye beti na ho ma miamia yakun ye okrom ade a wonya sofo enu sa ansu koma journalist for ejuma bia wo ne profession se wo kosua journalism a asekire ne se kona ko hunaka enya asekire ne se kotie politician na me kokan ye bechimi na me kokan ye bekase ma yeyi na adenti na wo journalism school no ade na wo ye wo school honum why did you go to that school? If you are afraid, say politician who can no krena obechiwa, and they go to Sunday school. Go to Sunday school. Na journalism no. Munya mo echuma. Munyina mun sorry. Mun sorry yanka sempa no. Let us correct our land. Arise, Ghana youth, for your country. The nation demand for your devotion. Let us all unite to uphold it. Yan sorry a nebe sorry. Na nyina ya deda na nyama to since 64 years. Can you imagine?
64 years. Can you imagine? So when me adwin dia, WhatsApp number na was screen so. Ghana Youth President Akasa was directing all the youth of Ghana to rise now out for your country. Arise, Ghana youth, for your country. The nation demand now for your devotion. Let us all unite. Let us all kaboom. Let us all sorry. Yan sorry, oh yan sorry. Emresu say yebe kwaji yamai. Emresu say yebe chi yamai. Efi kwasumu. Slaveryness efi ya yen krofu nchai. Slaveryness efi ya yen krofu ya yen mujanjai. Yang kasa yang krofu and yang pronibi and na teacher yan fa hunde so yang kasa yang krofu. Mami kinka messages ni bi aba bebre we say more fire. I am strongly behind you. Oh, Stephen. Oh, Stephen Yamishra. We see. I agree perfectly with you. Take a listen to what this white man is saying in their meeting. Our leaders dump and somebody video means winker. Also we did I don't go Joseph Tema. Joseph Midasi Wakasa. We see Ohini Jan Konongo more fire. They are destroying the country. Yes, so that's what we are changing. We are changing it now. Some of you have been saying that it is good, or you are saying it, but the Ghanaian youth will not agree. Master, yeah, sorry. If you know what is happening, you join the winning team. If you know what is happening, you will stop complaining. Everybody is hungry, including that youth organizer, including that area boy, assemblyman, and NPPO and NDCO. They are all hungry. All of them are following this course. Woshe Americani say Okoye campaign. Aprese obi ntu abamana or the American flag and the twane hushia. You will not see their party flag at all. Or the American flag and the twane hushia, but Ghana ye the NPP flag, ye the NDC flag. Na ye jai on my flag na to. That means NDC ne dana kumaso, NPP ne dana kumaso, and ye on my no and ne dana kumaso, and nuti na waba wamuku kumye kure fa. The youth president has already directed, say, 2020, yen tuaba. We gave them 7 days. 7 days, nebe wiye mandi. One betro at the fufra yepe, say, and first thing on in the first 100 days. Say, on yepe shoe factory, and a yabako, dressmaking factory, and a yabak, and a farmland across the nation, and a yemiesa, and a school structure now breaking it down. We want practical school. So we see shoe making factory. Now we create shoe making university. We see agric factory. Now we create agriculture from class 1. You see, practical school, that is what we want. If you are not ready to do this, you are not qualified to be a president. This is the fact of life. This is the fact of life. A change now. You must change for us now. All the youth of Ghana, we are not voting. Your president have spoken. Ghana youth president have spoken. 2027 December, yen votu yen tuaba. Se do sa time no na se amanyonfo na mbeka nkyere yen nia John Dramani Mahama chinchi ka kyere mo se ombe create apprenticeship mamimbi saw John Mahama na nkasa mbenyima no se yesi obi ya apprentice na yesi obi ya student ani na ebrofo kasa difference be na wo. What is the meaning of apprentice? What is the meaning of a student? Apprentice na nya di no kwakosua, student na nya di no kwakosua. What kind of English is this one? So we want you to come and tell us that you break down the school system in Ghana. Obronina usia na China for omo practical school, America practical school, Argentina theory nkwa na mode braye wo kromo ase yesua. Yempebium ya bremu but obi time nasa beautiful lines na mame na me njiji come yonu miensa bi yentie ni Ghana for worker. What you say? Number ne da screen so me pacho oba me mpe noise bia me ma 2 seconds pe oba osi more fire me jusu eja de me si tuja gum pe bodi bo bebi ofrefi na tuja ne gum na yanko pa 2 seconds inti wanya ne ta ye be yiwe fi so ma fofra ba. What I say? Messages in ba neba messages we say you do all we see more fire man, keep it up. I am watching you live from Ivory Coast. Wow, you are watching me from Ivory Coast. God bless you. You see, Nkrofo abrochi hwe live. My fafa course na line so I am more fire. More fire. Fire, mother. Eja dem tuja ne gum yanko. Nyamishira, far from me. More fire. Eja dem tujagum yanko. The sound ma me menti o mun kan yi. Tujagum yanko. Tujagum yanko.
Fire for fire.
Eja dem tujagum yanko.
I think Ghana.
Okay.
I'm going to you cook a super. If you wish you get you can take to continue and say if you see up my way abandonment then some of the maybe.
Okay, man, say o kasa ni ye but from me after the show na minti wasem. Far from me, more fire. More fire. More fire. Eja dem tujagum yanko. Tujagum yanko.
And then he showed me about Obo. Now, and then he says, "Yeah, I'm too." But it's you know, some walk and some facts. And so many some this war, you don't know a country next year. Because it's maybe a bar, resource are gonna but to multi develop you in my next or my move for a two.
Nyamishira, far from me. Nyamishira, far from me. More fire.
More fire.
Eja dem tujagum yanko.
More fire.
Eja dem tujagum yanko.
Oh, wakata, kuma to. The asema de the pliki krama for. The president the plikare. And they don't think Omako soon but monument in the if you almost a almost I'm an annual committee, a kind of Muko America. Education system, I did Mumma school, school.
More fire, Nyamishra, far from me. Nyamishra. Yeah, practical school and no. 2020 yan twaba. Far from me. More fire.
Hello.
More fire.
Hello.
More fire.
Hello.
Far from me. More fire. More fire.
More fire.
Eja dem tujagum yanko.
More fire. Yami sure.
Tujagum.
Yami sure. I'm back again. What Americano? What Americano? I find back. My time was a black papa. I'm going to
Nyamishra, far from me. Nyamishra, far from me. 2020 yan twaba. Far from me. 2020 yan twaba. Until some of the pointing, we are not against NDC. We are not against NPP. More fire. More fire. More fire.
More.
Eja dem tujanegum yanko.
Fire. Yes. You're from Mohammed. You got the now. Yeah, legitimate. Your papa said the whole can to my
Sa pepe.
more fire.
Sa pepe. Far from me. More fire. More fire.
Good evening.
Eja dem more fire. Far from me. Until who TV so many time. More fire.
Hello.
More fire.
Yeah, good evening.
More fire.
Yeah.
For calling this here.
We appreciate what you are saying. We appreciate what you are saying. They are spoiling our process. The politicians are our resources. Why are you coming out as the president? You are Malam and I like it.
God bless you, my brother, for contributing. Mami for course and see me time nasa. I wish I could pick course. I wish I can pick course. The time is too small. Time is so. What I say, sponsor us. Send your little contribution. Number no good screen so 100 city, 50 city, 20 city, whatever you can contribute to this journey. Add your quota. Ma wonso unchene enchene no ma wonso di enkamubi. What I say, let us grow Ghana together. The time has come for a new change. Ghana must work at all costs. What I say, Ghana must work. Ghana must work. The devil is a liar. The leaders are liars. We must work. The white man cannot sit on our freedom forever. Let us rise up and build our nation. You are the next generation. You are the next leaders of the country. What are you picking from these people? NDC on its own can never win election. They can never get 50+1 vote to win election. NPP as they say, they can never. If we refuse to vote, they will go run off 1,000 times until they come and address our desire. Then we'll go out and vote for them. So this December 7th December, we are not voting. Sleep. If you see them going around your area, follow them, make the noise, celebrate with them, collect the money. If you did not take it, one Jessicana, omuni beko kosha shawo for. Jessicano neti na yagana sika. Wo bold ya enkao eye wa usika. Wo bold ya enkao eye wa usika. This is the fact of life. This week, we will readdress them. Say yama 7 days. Say womu correct you manifesto no. Now CV, the manifesto is a CV. Let them correct it and come back to us. Then we will tell them whether we are going out to vote or not. And then they have decided not to mine us. So 2020, 7th December, we are not voting. Yen Twaba. I am Dr. Power, Ghana Youth President. And I am directing all the youth of Ghana to stay back home and don't go out to create any violence or fight for anybody. So almost frail. Say, hey, Bakumaye, Jekrantie, Jetuo, Nyeyamami, Nanyako Kuntokwa. Kachane say, Nebana wasisa kogwa brochireno, Uncle Fanembra no Mekun in Tokwa Mano. We cannot lose any youth in this country any longer. What I say? We will not lose any youth in this country any longer. And it is a big catch also Kokuntokwa, catching se kofro ba no mekuma. Womu nyina pak wo mako gwa brochire, minister bia ma wa brochire, president o ma wa brochire, MP4 o ma wa brochire, ye na ye Jimmy, na ye wo Ghana, na ye ko skufu, sku kankan, sku pui, sku apito. Na mumu akwa brochire sku no ma base mu be di president yeso. Yani abre na enam no. 2020 change has come. The whole African youth should keep it calm. We are angry, we are hungry, but we are not into scatter anything. We want to build our nation. We do not want to scatter our nation. And so if they create the violence, they come after us with their whatever, we are still going cool. We don't want any war. And so this year, 2020, 7th December, say amanyoni bi kachiro se kona kokuntokwa mana kachen se onko freni bano wa bruchire no no be kumano yendie yanku yendie yentuaba. We want practical school, shoe factories, dress factories, farmland across the nation, and then the practical school. These 5 things must be met for us immediately by force. Mwanyedia yentuaba. We are the owners of the country. We are the CEOs of the country. And so we give you the directive of what you should do for us. Monsore na munyamaye. Mekochi Dr. Power Nkrato. Meba. Yabe tuaso.
Mabajo, babu she ye die duaban. Ifa na haha no sayade. Aniti na me yare ameba Dr. Power Clinic. She mo watobi. My free. Dr. Power Clinic. We are power.
Sa ye honhom mu honam mu anaasɛ honam ani yare ɛna ɛhawa ɛne mekamfo Dr. Power Herbal Clinic ama ɔsa ɛnyare bi te sɛ gonorrhea, hypertension, stroke, typhoid fever, malaria fever, diabetes, jaundice, low sperm count, asthma, na sɛ meka sɛ mebobɔ yare ni nara so dia ɛne kyerɛ sɛ adeɛ bɛkye ama adeɛ asan asa. Dr. Power wɔ abɛɛfo mfidie papapa a ɔde sa ne yare wɔ nyinara ɔsan enso goita anaasɛ kompo edro henia a yɛfrɛ no chono nso ɛwɔ no nso ano edro na Dr. Power deɛ ɔde haban ma ɛna ɔde sa yare ebinom nso hɔ ɔbɛma wɔ futuo a kyerɛ sɛ ɔndo sika kapre empo ɔsan so tenase ɛbɛna de biara de yɛ honhom mu hwehwɛmu na ɔma ɛho akwankyerɛ tutumrika bra Dr. Power asoɛyɛ na ɔnto yare ase ɛma so ɔhwɛ Dr. Power kyira kwan dia ɔwɔ Ashama New Town ni Amun Park. The telephone number ni 020-8478-866. Ni sense subium 020-8478-866. Dr. Power. Power.
Don't worry. We say, please, I would like to dwell so much on the revival of the Nkrumah factories. Yes, nukre enwana yesi omumbie ma omusi omumbie so omumbie Nkrumah de ne dia siwa odie emre ayembre time achime enti me nya time kura fa mo credit mamunne nanso nyame adoma Sunday me ba me de mo credit bebrem aha the fact of life ongoing. I mean the I love Ghana registration is still ongoing enti unya register idea ubetumi afre number na o screen so ana se ubehwehwe obi oban oye ambassador se one po pese we ambassador send me WhatsApp e wo number na so ana send me text message e wo number na so 0242254506 na yemfa onto registration list so what I say and register people immediately you get above 100 people freyang ye beba mu area ho mukro ni mu ho ye beba na ya be hia nkrofo na wa register wo na ya meeting with them and see the possible factory that is possible na ya create ya yedwuma wo area ho. That is what we are up to do. We will create our own factories. We will build our own nation, with or without politicians. This is the fact of life. If you want to support this program so that we can get more time to stay more, we can run so many days in order for you to get more details. The number is on the screen. It's on G-Money. It's on MTN Mumu. Send BBA. Support us. O share a yaw there. O si we yade nyame shira. E si ka na yade no. Send BB to so. 0242254506. O pese ye bo advert ma. E wo program yi so because I Ghana nyina share. What I say, more than 15 million people are watching me right now as I'm talking to you, both in this country and outside the country. What I say, so just bring your advert. We play for you on the program. Nyame nhyiramo se munyina mo asore age nukure tum se ye di nukure ebe buye man ama oman anya nanim akọ se me sore so dia me koji Dr. Power Nkrato na mamba bioma na Sunday the same time me no mo be hia na directive Ghana Youth President Eddie Amane se won danger abobo me hu won danger abobo me hu from today we are youth of Ghana nkwan dia fa danger ebo uti fa danger ebo unsam baby o de bobo bia ma danger bi ntale ho na nkire ye mpanifo se ye ni abre ampa. What I said this Friday we are youth ambassador around Greater Accra now betumi aba Accra abehia ye dia this Friday. WhatsApp on the WhatsApp number yemfa location and to TV so me de betu WhatsApp ni so na wonso wo hu bebia ye behia na ye nyina ye nkohia. Be a good ambassador for your nation. What I say, and you bought danger throughout the month after the vote before we leave the danger until you to say politicians are responding to our call. Nyame nhyiramo se me sore sudia na politrickers, politifers, policrofo, polijulo, polikpakpe, polifiafi, poliajogri, poliojulo se mitina hadia na Ghana youth on fire. Eja dem sa tu.
Mabajo babu she ye die duaban ni fa na haha no sha yade ani ji na me we yare ame ba Dr. Power Clinic. They say Momatobi, my free. Dr. Power Clinic. We are power.
Miriam Ghana for me, Chiam. From me, Dr. Power. I'm Dr. Power Herbal Healing Clinic. I received ya yet to Yarabia as say a Yahumu Yari and I say Yahunam Yari. Say Yahunamu Yari and I say Humudia Yutuasi Ewa Haya. Branded Bia, a Tuesday Bia, Apostle Metina, Makunda Kasim. A spiritual check-up, a check how Nina, a twice a month. I say, Hunamudia, Yadi, Yahobia, Munkokra Chay, Bidrosu, Yadi 2 Yariase, Yarabia, at Obia, Yawa Gonoria, and your friend Babasuibia, Yawanu, you twice a manoko, Yawa hypertension, a drop BP, Yawa typhoid fever, a drop malaria fever, Yawa behavior, a drop, Yawa diarrhea, a drop. Yawo diabetes edro mechira sugar yare ubia wanya isichiri yare ya ni watu tukuru anase ni hunam ye ni ya anase waposo hunam nyina bo basa woti show anase hunam nko wiye bra Dr. Power Herbal Clinic na yetu yare ase ama yawo jaundice edro yawo syphilis edro yawo fibroid edro yawo piles koko hawa eno de ne wonsem ye bebre na nso fi se koko normal mani pedua se ye ebre sa yare no ma me nkyere wo beduro kitwa bi a wanka so be yanka bepoa nanso oba me nkyɛn a ma kyere for free aha Dr. Power Herbal Clinic de bia yetu yare bia ase ye wo waist pain eduro and found how chronic it is and found se ne anu ohye anu odin se ne waist pain atale wo ache na waist pain so ye wo niam different kaideba yewo kuro yewo koko yewo henia yewo niam different ebetuma cause pains our waist bra ye be check yewo abafu fidie mapa ye de ye check up papa ye hwehwe omoje mu nyina hwe yare a ehaw se ne ete ene edura esene fata ansa na ya treat na ye check up ne yewo abafu fidie ana ye sanso miemia wunsem miemia wonan ye massage wunsa yem sa ye betuma miemia sa da sa yare ye betuma miemia wonan so sa da sa yare ye de hwehwe yare bia so na so bebre na pa ba fonti ye de fidie ni so ato ye de hwehwe omoje mu nyina ewu yare ehaw ansa na ye de eduro be kanwa ye de akaw ye wo gwanta eduro obi a ne menemu ahokon be ka gwanta bebre na so wonte brofo enti na me ampese me chichi omu o menemu ahokon anase afa yefunu sa na ebi mu kan ye wo anu eduru ye wo eko ehenia eduru se efifi wayase efifi wo bemam anase efifi wo koichi henia to me fifi be bia onope bia to America na bra Dr. Power Herbal Clinic yetu yare na se emawa ye wo candidiasis edepua I before friend manye I can for friend odepua abrofo kasa ne ye friend candidiasis insufite bi fi ho ba anase wa ho keka anase wo de won sahye ho a wo niam kales bi ho ebia so ne grade ye wo obia ene ne tie ebi bon ebi mbon ebi nsu yi insufi ebi wo kales like green color brown color different colors and different stages over Dr. Power Herbal Clinic a profession you to ase ama wanto ye wo prostate cancer edro ye wo behavior edro ye wo miscarriage edro oba wo fa yefuna enche na yefuna say any oba wo ne be ma hia na kajigo nso na sign echi me kire say wo ne be ma hia na say nso ne sign echi a niam different to me ba ebi ye yare ebi nso nye yare hwe oba ha no ma nye yare bia o de be bia na hia say ye be no aduru ama mebre na ye kire onia wa wo kwakoye ofie na wo ho ato oja say niam nketenkete bia wo kofie kwakoye keke na wo ho ato ye wo be enlargement be me bia o pesa wo nyadoa de nya kase no ye wo anu aduru e wa ha amika ne teusa ye wo lower abdominal pains edru oba wo ko we fichiri na wa ya se we odwi ye kan wo se ye normal oba bia yare enti wo beka se obi anu poison wunte ye normal wo so be nu bia wu ana mentina se ma yare enku ye wo asthma edru ye wo eye disease eye glaucoma se nyama bi na kata wani so nwa de papa wani so ewisi ye wo anu edru aha ye maspes ye wo stomach problem stomach ulcer stomach cancer ye wo anu edru ewa ha ye wo rheumatism edru ye wo mental problem edru obi anadwuma what I say ye wo edru ye wo obi a onu nsa ana otwi oh person we jai no ye wa dru e wa ha ye wo heart attack e dru obi a wakoma tire o ya wakoma bo kuku decide obi abo hu obi wo ha untum wa home sisi suntem ye wo skin disease e dru bi wo ha yade bia ebegu hu na mani a wo sambe to medru so the sraso nkwe de be hia na ko one time Dr. Power Herbal Clinic wunti ana nyame afra ye e de abadwuma mu bra na wo so benya yaresa it is ohia yaresa papadia Power Herbal Clinic na benya
me December almost all good years and so any day I'm say and this is one wish.
I'm not even in the Makuma so boom, I feel many should bring me now. I think I said, no, your pa, Matia.
No, we are 9 Chibiana, Makuma said that Makuma said, bomb fast, no one said me, Kumana born no more.
You were Accra, you were Shama, you were Kumasi, Obanya or Amaga Market, Volley Park, the opposite Pepe. But me busy mostly our Shama Newtown, Ni Amoy Park, Afarwa, and in Newtown Junction Road in so, over Dr. Power Herbal Clinic. Over to man hear me were Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Nina Dr. Power Herbal Clinic. Over to my Shama Life. Every single Sunday, I made the Fact of Life program no bro. Our Facebook Live. Frame I was 020-847-8866. To what my WhatsApp me? Me and my family no babon komo kama. Yetu yari asiama. Nyame nshira. Me hwa okwan.